Hey everyone, feeling nagging hip pain? It might not just be tightness, it could be weakness in your glutes or underactive hamstrings. Let's fix that today. Here's the deal. Overactive hip flexors pull your pelvis, creating pain. Weak glutes can't stabilize your hips properly, and underactive hamstrings aren't helping either. Your hip flexors end up doing all the work, and that's why you feel pain. Fix has three parts. First, you're going to release your hip flexors. Second, you're going to activate and strengthen your glutes. Thirdly, you're going to shorten and strengthen your hamstrings. First up is we're going to release the hip flexors. What you want to do is you want to find you a bench, a chair will work also, and you want to place your foot on the bench. As you place that foot on the bench, you want to get in a kneeling position. Push your hips forward slightly as you activate your glutes. You should feel this stretch down your mid-thigh, your quad. Hold that contraction in your glute for about 10 seconds. You're going to do this for about 30 seconds on each leg. You want to come off that after that 30 seconds is complete and do the other side. This is going to help release that hip flexor so you can start activating your glute in your next step. Step 2 is glute activation and glute strengthening. So let's get to it with a simple glute bridge. So lay down, activating, and I want you to push up through your heels, squeezing, initiating the movement through your glutes. You should feel it in your hamstrings, you should feel it in your low back. And I want you to hold this for at least 10 seconds. And then after that 10 seconds, I want you to slowly lower down. 10 reps of this. This is going to help with glute activation and glute strengthening. Once you've gotten good with double leg glute bridges, then you can progress to single leg glute bridges. But next, we're going to get into some hamstring strengthening in an eccentric control. For your hamstrings, let's try a Romanian deadlift, single leg style though. What you want to do is get you a dumbbell, kettlebell works also, and you want to prop your back leg up, and you want to keep your knee slightly bent, and you want to go down, keeping that back flat. You should feel a stretch in the hamstring. As soon as you feel a stretch in your hamstrings, I want you to activate and squeeze it to initiate your way up. So I'm going to try this on the other side. Back foot as a tripod, just to keep my balance. And I'm going to go down, keep my back nice and flat. I'm going to feel a stretch in my hamstring. As I feel a stretch in my hamstring, I'm going to squeeze that hamstring and pull myself back up. This is going to help get eccentric strength in your hamstrings, decreasing your hip compensation and decreasing that hip flexor pain. So I want you to do this about 8 to 12 reps each leg. All right, do this 2 to 3 times a week. You'll feel your hips working more efficiently with less pain. Your hips are a team. Your hamstrings, your glutes, and your hip flexors, they all need to work together. Strengthen the right muscles and offload the overactive muscles. Pain becomes a thing of the past. If you like this video, if you like this style, let me know and leave a comment below. But if you want to see a follow-along video, let me know that also. I'll get to it. Check out these videos here and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Panel with the Panel Performance Group.